Hello everyone, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. Students, this video is for Usmania University degree BA, BCom, BBA, BSc semester 1 students because in this video I'm sharing with you the subject Environmental Studies EVS, which is common for all the degree streams BA, BCom, BBA, BSc semester 1 students of Usmania University. Now let's see what are the fast recap of last minute 100% important questions for your upcoming examination. So let's see what are the important questions. Subject EVS. Students, the subject EVS carries 40 marks and the subject consists of 2 units and the paper pattern will be part A and part B. Part A carries 10 marks, part B carries 30 marks. In part A you have to write any 2 questions. So if you attempt the 2 questions, each questions carry 5 marks. So if you attempt 2 questions, you will get 10 marks. And part B carries 30 marks. Each questions carry 15 marks. So if you attempt 2 questions, you will get 30 marks. So 10 marks from part A and 30 marks from part B. So 10 plus 30, total 40 marks the subject carries. So watch the video till the end. Definitely you will score 40 by 40 in your upcoming examination. Now let's see what are the important questions. Unit 1 short questions. Biodiversity and its types, ecological pyramids, ecosystem, biotic and abiotic components, food chain and food web, hotspot. Very important questions, students. Biodiversity and its type, very important. Ecological pyramids, it's also very important. Now unit 1 long questions. Define environmental studies. Also explain the scope and importance of environmental studies. 100% important question. Second, explain renewable and non-renewable energy resources. Very important question. What is biogas? Important question. And maybe this, what is biogas, this question comes in short bit also. And question number 4, rainwater harvesting and watershed management. Students, watershed management is important for short also, and what is rain harvesting is important for short bit also. So 4 questions very important for unit 1, long questions for the subject EVS. Students, on my YouTube channel 2 guest papers are available for the subject EVS, so please refer that 2 guest papers also for getting 40 by 40 in your upcoming examination. And beside that, one more video is there related with important questions for the subject EVS. Now unit 2 short questions. First is global warming, very important. What is greenhouse effect? Important question. Explain briefly about disaster management, very important question. Ozone layer, important question. Wildlife Protection Act, very important. So 5 questions I'm sharing with you for unit 2 short questions. From these 5 questions, question number 1 very important, and question number 3 is also very important, disaster management, and question number 4 is also very important. So students, start your preparation from these questions because these are very important questions. And unit 2 long questions. First is write in brief about the role of information technology in environment and human health. Very important question. Explain about rainwater harvesting and watershed management, very important. Write in brief about disaster management, very important. What is pollution? What is air pollution? What is water pollution? That question is very important. Explain the causes, effect and control measures of air pollution as well as water pollution, very important question. So students, these are the important questions for the subject EVS. So start your preparation from these questions and refer my 2 guest papers also for the preparation, and one more video is there for the important questions of the subject EVS. So refer all this for getting 40 by 40 in your examination. And these videos are available on my YouTube channel. Important questions for the subject FIT, BOM, Financial Accounting 1, degree passing marks, 0.5 rule, how grades will be awarded by Osmania University. So please visit my channel, see the videos, like the videos, share the videos. Thanks for watching the video.